Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of motion and forces, the invisible pushes and pulls that make everything move. A force is simply a push or a pull. When you push a door open or pull your backpack zippers, you are applying a force. Forces can make objects move, stop, or change direction. Force, interaction between two objects that causes a change in the motion of the objects. Isaac Newton is known as father of physics. He was mathematician also. He discovered in 1687 the correlation between force and motion. First law of motion states an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion will stay in motion at the same speed and in the same direction unless acted on by an unbalanced force. Second law, the acceleration of an object by a force is inversely proportional to the mass of the object and directly proportional to the force. Third law states for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction.